Chapter 2 Numbers up to 20. Let's recall revision of numbers. Let us sing and revise the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. So, how many fish do you have? 0. Concept of 0. 5 birds are sitting on a branch. 2 birds fly away. How many are left? 3. Again 2 birds fly away. How many are left? 1. The remaining bird also flies away. Now the branch is empty. We can say that there are no birds or 0 birds left on the branch. Trace the 0. Song for 0. 0 the hero comes to school. 0 the hero knows a rule. 0 the hero stays in a space. So all the other numbers get in the right place. Number names from 1 to 10. Get set. Count the black spots on the back of each ladybug. Then take each ladybug to its leaf by drawing lines. One has been done for you. You can complete this activity. Count and write. How many eyes do you have? How many fingers do you have in one hand? How many wings are there on your body? Look at the given fruit basket. Count and write the number of fruits in it. How many apples are there in the basket? How many mangoes are there in the basket? How many bananas are there in the basket? How many oranges are there in the basket? Let's move forward. Practice writing numbers and their number names. One has been done for you from 1 to 10. Read the numbers and draw lines to match it with the same number of shapes on the cap and the number name. One has been done for you. 1 to 5. Count the number of dots on the clothes and join them with the matching numbers and number names. One has been done for you. You can complete this activity. Next, this is a fun with maths. This is an activity. Making connection with EVS. Count and write the number and its number names. One has been done for you. How many legs does the boy have? He has 2. How many legs does the ant have? 6. How many legs does a spider have? 8. How many legs does the elephant have? 4. How many wheels are there in a tricycle? 3. How many colors are there in a rainbow? It is 7. Before, after and in between. Sam is arranging his gloves. Each pair of gloves has a number. The blue pair is before the green pair. The green pair is in between the blue and red pair. The red pair is after the green pair. Look at the numbers 7, 8 and 9 on the number strip. 7 is just before 8. 8 is in between 7 and 9. 9 is just after 8. Try this. Which number comes before 7? It is 6. Which number comes in between 5 and 7? It is 6. Which number comes after 4? It is 5. Next comes the practice coach. Write the numbers that comes just after the given number. One has been done for you. 7, 8, 5, 6, 2, 3, 9, 10, 1, 2, 6, 7, 3, 4. Write the number that comes just before the given number. One has been done for you. 6 comes before 7. 2, 3, 7, 8, 4, 5. Write the number that comes in between the given numbers. 1 has been done for you. In between numbers, between 2 and 4, 3 comes. The same way, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2 and 3. Count forward and write the missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need to write the same for 3 to 10. Count backward and write the missing number. You need to write the backward number. 7, 6, 5, 4. Like that you need to write the backward numbers. 9, 8, 7. So you need to write the backward number. This is the activity. Tens and ones. Riya and Anu has to arrange flowers in groups to make bouquets. There are 9 flowers. How many flowers do we get if we add one more flower? 9 and 1, which gives 10. There are 10 flowers. To make counting of larger numbers easier, we group 10 ones and make one bunch of 10. 10 ones, it is 110. Numbers from 11 to 20. Read and write numbers from 11 to 20. Trace here and read and write till 20. 16, 18, 19, 20. Practice coach. Make a group of 10 and fill in the boxes. One has been done for you. 14, 16, 12, 11, 17. Match each block to the correct display card. One has been done for you. You need to match. Arrange the numbers in correct order. 15, 16 and 17. Same way 11, 12 and 13. The number helped Jackie reach his friend by filling the number that comes. After 11, it comes 12. After 14, 15. Before 13, 12. Before 17, 16. In between 12 and 14, 13. In between 18 and 20, it is 19. Share an instance with your class where you helped someone and made him or her happy. Tens and ones on the abacus. An abacus is a tool used for reading and counting numbers. This is an abacus with 2 rods, the tens rod T and the ones rod O. Each rod can have a maximum of 9 beads. How to read numbers on the abacus? I am Adam and my name has 4 letters. I have 15 candies with me. 1, 5. I am Samantha and my name has 8 letters. I have 20 marbles with me. Practice coach. Read the number shown on each abacus and fill in the boxes. One has been done for you. Here in the tens place it is only 1. On the ones there are 3 beads. So 1, 3. The same way you need to complete for the others. Draw the beads on the abacus for the given numbers. You need to draw 1, 8. For the tens 1 bead. For the ones it is 8 bead. The same way you need to continue for the other. How many letters does your name have? Draw the beads. Comparing numbers, smaller number. Count and write the number of circles shown on each gift box. Let's compare these numbers on the number strip. When 2 numbers are compared on the number strip, the number closer to 0 is smaller than the other number. Thus, 4 is smaller than 9. Practice coach. Circle the smaller number in each pair. One has been done for you. You need to circle the smaller number. Count the petal having the smallest number in red. One has been done for you. This is the smallest number out of these. Larger numbers. Count and write the number of petals in each flower. Let us now compare these numbers on the number strip. When 2 numbers are compared on the numbered strip, the number The number farther from the 0 is larger than the other number. Thus, 8 is larger than 4. Circle the larger number. 1 has been done for you. You need to circle the larger number. Color the petal having the largest number in blue. 1 has been done for you. You need to color the largest number. Decreasing order of numbers. Count the number of marbles in each bowl and write in the box. The numbers have been arranged from the smallest to largest. Largest to the smallest. The numbers below have also been arranged from largest to the smallest. Practice coach. Arrange the numbers on the block from the largest to smallest starting from the top. You need to arrange from largest to smallest. Increasing order of numbers. Count the number of petals in each flower and write in the box. The numbers have been arranged from smallest to largest. The numbers below have also been arranged from smallest to largest. Practice coach. Arrange the numbers on the blocks from the smallest to largest starting from the top. 1 has been done for you. You need to complete this activity. Ordinal numbers. When objects are placed in an order, ordinal numbers describe their position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Fill in the missing ordinal numbers and write their names. You can write here. This is Fun with Maths activity. Connecting skills. Rearrange the numbers in the order from smallest to the largest. 1 has been done for you. Smallest to largest. Next comes the activity. Then comes the revision station. Circle the correct option. What comes after 15? What comes before 8? What comes in between 12 and 14? What comes after 18? Which one of the following is in increasing order? Which one of the following is in decreasing order? 9 is larger than 7. 15 is larger than 8. The number name of 17 is this 17. The number name of 9 is NINE 9. Next comes the worksheet. Help Mickey the monkey to cross the tiles to reach the mango. Read the instructions given below the tile to find the number. 1 tens and 10 ones. So the number comes before 19. Using this clue, you need to write the numbers. How many tiles did monkey cross to reach the mango? It is 20. Arrange the tiles with numbers 3, 1, 12, 9, 20, 17 in the ascending order. Which are the largest and the smallest numbers written on the tiles? This completes chapter 2.